Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Imagine expressing yourself effortlessly in conversations, just like a native speaker. But are you struggling with pronunciation, rhythm, or intonation? Feeling like no matter how much you practice, something's still missing? Don't worry, because today I'm here to introduce you to a game-changing technique, shadowing. Shadowing is a powerful way to mimic native speakers, perfect your pronunciation, and boost your fluency faster than ever before. So, stay with me till the end of this video. I'll guide you step by step through the shadowing technique, share practical tips, and show you how this simple practice can completely transform your English speaking skills. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what exactly is shadowing? Let me explain. Shadowing is a simple but powerful language learning technique. Here's how it works. You listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately after them, mimicking their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm as closely as possible. Why is shadowing so effective? First, it helps you improve your pronunciation and intonation by imitating native speakers. Second, it boosts your fluency and listening skills, making you more confident in conversations. The best part? It trains your brain to think in English, helping you speak more naturally over time. Let's try a quick shadowing exercise together. Listen to me and repeat right after. How's your day going? Great job. That's shadowing in action. By practicing this technique regularly, you'll notice a big improvement in your speaking skills. Why is shadowing such an effective tool for learning English? Let's dive into its amazing benefits. First, shadowing enhances your listening comprehension. By focusing on natural speech patterns, you train your ears to pick up sounds, rhythms, and intonation used by native speakers. Second, it boosts your speaking fluency through repetition. The more you repeat phrases, the more natural they feel when you use them in real conversations. Shadowing also develops muscle memory for correct pronunciation and sentence flow. Your mouth gets used to forming the right sounds effortlessly, and perhaps the most important benefit, it increases your confidence. Mimicking native-like expressions makes you feel prepared and more comfortable speaking English. Pro tip: if you're a beginner, start with audio or videos that have clear, slow speech. As you improve, challenge yourself with faster, natural conversations. Step by step, you'll master the art of speaking like a native. Are you ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level? Let's explore a step-by-step guide to practicing shadowing, one of the most powerful techniques for language learning. Step 1. Start by choosing an audio or video with clear, native English speech. Podcasts, interviews, or movie clips work perfectly. Step 2. Listen carefully to a short segment, like a single sentence or phrase. Step 3. Replay that segment and repeat it immediately after the speaker. Step 4. Pay close attention to the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Try to sound just like the speaker. Step 5. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the length of the segments you shadow. Let's try an example together. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you today? With consistent practice, shadowing will transform your English skills. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started today. Shadowing is a fantastic way to improve your English, but like any skill, it's most effective when done the right way. Here are some essential tips for getting the most out of your shadowing practice. If you're just starting out, begin with slow-paced audio or videos. Choose materials with simple sentences so you can focus on clear pronunciation. Need extra help understanding the audio? Use subtitles as a guide. They can be your training wheels. Ready to level up? Challenge yourself with fast-paced conversations or complex materials like TED Talks or podcasts. And for a real test, turn off the subtitles. Regardless of your level, consistency is key. Practice daily for just 10 to 15 minutes. And remember, focus on fluency over perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. With these tips, you'll master shadowing and see your English skills soar. Let's keep practicing and growing together. Shadowing is an incredible technique for mastering English. But are you making common mistakes that slow your progress? Don't worry. I'm here to help you avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes is repeating phrases without knowing what they mean. Shadowing isn't just about parroting words. It's about meaningful learning. The solution? Take a moment to understand the sentence before you repeat it. For example, if the phrase is, "How's it going?" know that it's a casual way of asking someone how they are. Another common mistake is skipping over details like stress, tone, and linking words. These make speech sound natural. Pay close attention and mimic these elements for more native-like pronunciation. Finally, inconsistency is your enemy. Shadowing once a week won't cut it. Set a daily routine, even if it's just 10 minutes. Consistency is what makes progress happen. Ready to take your shadowing skills to the next level? Let's dive into the Advanced Shadowing Challenge. For this activity, you'll need a fast-paced video or conversation. Think of TED Talks, debates, or even your favorite movie scenes with dynamic dialogues. Here's the challenge. Shadow the entire conversation without pausing. That's right, no breaks. The goal is to match the speaker's rhythm, fluency, and intonation in real time. Don't worry if it feels tough at first. Practice repeatedly until you can keep up seamlessly. Focus on matching their tone, speed, and energy. It's okay to stumble. That's part of the learning process. This challenge is your stepping stone to fluency. With enough dedication, you'll not only understand but feel the natural flow of English. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secret to transforming your English speaking skills with shadowing. This powerful technique can improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence one step at a time. Remember, consistency is the key. Just 10 to 15 minutes of daily shadowing can make a world of difference. Stay patient and celebrate small victories as you progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are on the same English learning journey as you. And before you go, check out our video on how to speak English confidently using real-life conversations. It's packed with practical tips to take your skills to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, your journey to fluent English is just beginning, and with consistent practice, you'll keep getting better every day. Keep practicing shadowing, and don't forget, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every step forward. If you're looking for more resources to help you on your path to fluency, check out our other videos and articles. We've got tons of tips and exercises for every level. We'd love to hear about your progress, so drop a comment below. What part of shadowing do you find most challenging? Let us know, and we'll support you along the way.